Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PMCB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times. That's where these red and green lines are coming from. But want to get things updated here, as you know, the chart's essentially just been kind of boring right now. I don't say that in a bad way. I'm just saying that, you know, compared to kind of this explosive movement that some people grew accustomed to, now the price is just kind of going sideways. Sure, it's pulling back here a little bit, but from a big picture perspective, everything is still perfectly fine. And the best way to kind of illustrate that is a little house cleaning. Yes, these lines that I'm deleting still do pertain to the chart, but like I said, from a presentation standpoint and wanting to have things just as clean as possible so it's, you know, easy to explain, just want to get rid of those and talk about things from the big picture perspective. And that's the key, big picture. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right here or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within, 2 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. But from the big picture perspective, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to continue to build the overall trend, and that's because, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And what seems to have happened is we have this kind of generalized area, more so down here. You have some lows right there, you have some lows right there. It actually went a little bit lower in both of these situations. But even if we'll just kind of eyeball it and split the difference. Let's just say the price, goes down there a couple more times. So the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even if that were to happen, not saying it will, where are these lows at? Well, these lows would be right here. Where are the previous set of lows? The previous set of lows would be down in that area of the chart. So if you picture each of these as stair steps, then from the big picture perspective, the overall trend would still be going in the upwards direction. So that's why, yeah, from big picture perspective, sure, the past few days haven't been the most exciting. Maybe they've been a little bit annoying because the price has actually pulled back. But taking a step back and looking at multiple pieces of the puzzle, hopefully you're seeing that the bulls still have that chance to still build the higher base. An easier way, and kind of more so the ideal way, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest? If the price can continue to hold up above the purple line right there, which is a 50-period simple moving average, that would by far make the chart look the most attractive, and has been doing a fantastic job of that. You can see bounced off it, and now it's sitting right here at it. If that continues to happen, that's kind of preferable situation number one. But if the price does drop below it, by no means is the entire chart ruined, because hopefully, as I've illustrated, the price still has an opportunity to build that higher base. As far as levels of resistance, 16 cents up there is still going to be that key one. But right now, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just continuing to go through, a healthy consolidation. So the week is young, still 4 days left. We'll see what the bulls have in store. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.